as we know, language is the only form that differs us from that of the animal world. So prior to switch over the language, it must be clear to us what does this term mean. It is the combination of two words. The first one is lingua, that is quoted from Latin language. Lingua stands for mode of interaction, mode of communication. If something is being communicated in an effective way, that is known as language. But when we are going to discuss over this topic, it's very necessary to go into the depth of this term. It is based on sounds. Sounds is considerably is of two types: speech sounds and speechless sounds. In other words, this category is considered as voiced sound, and another one is voiceless sounds. Now it's time to categorize it. Speech sound stands for those can be uttered through your mouth. Likewise, ka, sa, ta, the sounds those can be uttered through your mouth, those are known as the speech sounds. On the contrary, if we talk about speechless sounds, these sounds cannot be produced, but still they are making like that of and honking of the horns. All these are the speechless sounds. So language varies from place to place, person to person, area to area. So the topic of our discussion is how to have a grip over English language. Whenever we talk about English language, it doesn't mean the language that is being spoken merely in what should I say, in England, in Britain itself. That is English. It is considered the international connecting language nowadays. Why? Because if we just want to know something about IT sector, we just want to throw light on any phase of information technology, any phase of technology, any phase of software association, then hardly there would be any field where the language doesn't have its own supremacy. No doubt we must be well versed with our mother tongue, but along with the mother tongue, we must be well versed with target language, and English language is considered to be the target language. Why? Because in the want of this language, in every walk of life, we feel many a times that we have thoroughly cut off from the society. So if we want to be connected with our nation or any nation of the world, at that time we must be well versed, we must have a good fluency over this language. And while following the same thing, I'm going to start a capsule course regarding your English language, so that our youth could have a grip over this language, a grasp over this language, and under the kind assistance of my elder brother Jagminder Singh Sandhu, who is running an institute by the name of Sukhmani Computer Center. So under the assistance of my brother, I'm going to run this capsule course, and that will be quite at hand. Thank you very much. For the first lecture, we would like to see you in the next lecture. Thank you very much.